Hi folks, welcome. We are at the marina and it's a Tuesday because today's a very important day for me, or a very exciting day, should we say. There's something very large arriving on a lorry in the next few minutes that I've been waiting on for a couple of months now, and yeah, so we're about to meet my new boat as soon as it arrives. So yeah, I'll be back shortly to hopefully video the unveiling. Then I'll tell you all about it, and we'll go through it all probably in a future video. But for now, yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see what arrives very shortly. That's big. So, there you go. That is where you guys from Marine Sales Scotland bringing her in. So if you guys watch YouTube at all, watch the Marine Sales Scotland one, you'll be familiar with the boat. It is a 2002 Sealine S43 called Wild Rose. I'm not going to go through an exact tour now because Ruben did a much better one than me. So what I'm going to do is I'll wait till it's in the water and I get a bit of alone time, and I'll start going through everything that I was getting upgraded on it, because there's quite a lot of things that are getting upgraded. But this is to replace Sally Jane, and she will be keeping the name Wild Rose as well. I quite like it. So yeah, they're just putting it together and we're getting ready to put it in the water. So we'll be back in a bit. So that was the new boat arriving. I'm sat on her. For those of you that didn't work it out, or didn't see it before, check out the Marine Sales Scotland walkthrough tour of the boat. I'm not going to do a tour like that for you because it's already been done by Ruben. I'll put a link in the description. But what I will be doing, the next video will be an in-depth tour of everything I've spotted already within 12 hours of ownership that I want to change, replace, upgrade or fix, or that's broken and needs repair. Obviously it looks great in Ruben's video, but you've got to remember it is a 20-year-old boat still, or 19 years coming up on 20-year-old, so there's stuff that is just wearing out. So if it's not already been replaced, it will be going on my upgrade and repair list. And there's a couple of things about it that I've been pleasantly surprised about that I wasn't quite prepared for. So yeah, this is just a quick one to let you see it arriving and us getting it in the water and everything. But the next one will be a full in-depth tour of everything that's going to happen. For those of you that are interested in SJ, she has provisionally been sold now and got through a survey at the weekend. Unfortunately, there is some propeller damage. It's purely my fault. So the person buying it, I've held my hands up to it and said, look, I've damaged it. I'll pay for whatever it costs to get it repaired. So it looks like that's still going ahead. There's a few more jobs on SJ that I need to finish as well. Namely, I need to fix the water system so that it actually pumps and primes properly. But that's a relatively minor fix. So I'll try and get that done this weekend because it's a 4-day weekend coming up as well. And yeah, we'll start on the upgrades to this. But that is my new to me, Sealine S43. She's called Wild Rose. And yeah, so in future, most of the videos are going to be about this one. Hopefully you guys stick with us and still enjoy it. And we'll see you all later. Stay safe. See you later.